To answer this question, anyone can be a technopreneur provided they are being mentored and coached by the right technopreneur. So I want to go back to our original definition that a technopreneur must have an innovation strategy to cultivate a pipeline of technopreneurs. It's just like one person cannot carry 10 tables at the same time, but you have groomed many strong people, they can carry all the 10 tables at the same time. So I want to repeat one more time that technopreneurship is a process of developing successful technopreneurs for Industry 4.0 in this era of artificial intelligence. The reason why we can do that is because now technology can make us train many people at the same time, but for coaching and mentoring we cannot. We have to choose those that we need to prioritize and develop first. So, but for everyone, they have the right and they should be encouraged to inculcate the spirit of an entrepreneur. The authentic technopreneur is a person, and this type of people are very successful because they have 4 types of capital. The first type is called intellectual capital, which means that they are very knowledgeable. The next type is called social capital, that means they are very good in interpersonal skills. Then the third type is called emotional capital, that means they are highly emotional, intelligent. And the last type, which every entrepreneur will tell you, that you need to have adversity capital, that means the stamina to last. Now, the technopreneurship, since this is a process, therefore there are different stages that the technopreneur would like to develop their own people, or even if you have an institution that's developing good people, then it takes quite a bit. You cannot have a technopreneur develop overnight. But we can always take the first step with holistic thinking. This is where we can improve the ability of a person to integrate processes, integrate concepts, integrate tools, so that we can achieve faster, better, and smarter results. We also next will be able to improve the people's ability to implement, and this is where the systems thinking come in, because everyone is measured by the key performance indicators or targets. The third improvement is to innovate. To innovate means that this is part of critical thinking, and critical thinking is easier said than done, and therefore this is where action learning comes in, because whenever I do something wrong, I must ask the question, what went right and what went wrong, and how can I redo it so that I reduce or remove the corrective action of mistakes. And in order to improve continuously, some people talk about Six Sigma, but this is any techniques that can help us to improve continuously, and this will add up to a synergistic effect of these 4 types of thinking, which also improve our overall skills. So with that, you can really develop a pipeline of technopreneurs of different categories. And this is where the future, where jobs are project driven, we can now classify this excellence in terms of people or technopreneur after being developed can only run lightweight projects, because it's beyond their limit to run the next level, which is medium weight projects. And finally, those who are very capable, they can run projects across country because of cultural diversity, and this is the highest level of a technopreneurship, which is serving the global market. So in order for us again to achieve all this, we must start with the first step. Thank you.